Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer Gmail emails to Proton Mail. Let's begin. Now, whether you're switching for privacy reasons or just want to organize your inbox better, all you have to do is make sure you have both a Gmail and Proton Mail account ready. If you haven't created a Proton Mail account yet, this is going to be the perfect opportunity for you to sign up. All you have to do is, you see there's option here that says create a free account. And all I have to do is very simple. Provide all the information needed and follow the on-screen instructions. And once you've done that, now after a successful sign up, you will be forwarded to the welcome page. And just click the let's get started. And then what will happen is, let's say in this instance, I'm going to be using this. You need to go to the gear icon settings on the top right corner. Okay? And then I want you to click the all settings. What will happen is this will give you more options. It'll take a little while. And I want you to click the import via easy switch. That's going to be found in the left side area of the navigation. Now, as you may notice, you can bring your messages, contacts, and calendars to Proton. Not only you can import from Google, you also have the ability to import from Yahoo, import from Outlook, and import from other email providers. But in this case, we're going to go and click the import from Google. Now, if you do, you have the option to select what you wanted to import. Is it going to be all emails, contacts, and calendars? So if you wanted to select all of these, check all the options. But if you just wanted to select emails, you can do that as well and click the start import. Now, if you do, it would ask a specific account. Make sure again that you have already created your Gmail account. All right. And from here, you need to choose the account properly. And as you can see, once you've done that, you would see an option that says customize and confirm. Your data is ready to import from this specific Gmail account to your Proton account. You just have to confirm your selection, and of course, Proton Mail will do the rest. And as you can see, they can import emails from the last 3 months. Contacts, all their contacts will be imported up to a limit of 10,000, and a calendar is going to be something that you wanted. Now, if you are ready to import, you can click the pink button here that start import and just follow the on-screen instructions. And basically, that's it for today's video. Now we have successfully moved your emails from Gmail to Proton Mail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.